Okay, babe. So you got to pretend like you're on getting ready for a Netflix documentary.
I see him do this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Am I gonna cry? Do I need tissues?
So it's been suggested to me that, because I went ahead and I opened up the the X Files box, that you should probably get to open something up.
Yeah.
So I picked you up something real nice. Not one, but two.
Do I get to build them? Like sit back here while you work and build them?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
I'll go with my piglet. Thanks, babe. I'm so rumbly in my tumbly. Time for something sweet.
All right, so here's another one.
Okay.
Sorry I opened the X Files up, built it before you even got a chance to see it.
Thanks.
Hope this makes up for it.
Better be really good. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna go with all my other stuff. And I'm dressing up this Halloween as a park ranger with my T-Rex. I should probably build that and put it on display out there.
Yeah, well, we should probably build all the Lego.
Well, yeah, but I have to prioritize.
So I'm saved?
Yeah, you're safe this time.